I found 11 great freelance jobs for beginners in 2024 that can help you make extra money on the side or start a full-time freelancing career. Some of these jobs can even lead to starting your own business. Let's dive in. Number 1, better reader. A better reader reads and provides feedback on manuscripts before they are published. You don't need to be an expert writer, just provide insight from an average reader's perspective. Many authors, publishing houses, and literary agencies are hired for this role. Freelance better readers can earn around $20 per hour and find opportunities on sites like Guru or Upwork.com. It's a flexible job that can fit around commitments, making it ideal for those looking to dip their toes into freelancing. I gave this job an 8 out of 10 opportunity score. Number 2, color season analysis. As a color season analyst, you assess color trends and provide guidance for industries such as fashion and interior design. This job requires a good sense of fashion and an eye for color coordination. You might work with fashion companies, interior design firms, cosmetic brands, and customer product manufacturers. Analysis can earn between $48,000 and $72,000 annually. This niche field can be very rewarding for those with a keen aesthetic sense. I rate this one 7 out of 10. Number 3, style advisor. Style advisors, particularly hairstyle advisors, can help clients choose the best look for them. This includes recommending haircuts based on face shape and style preferences. Working one-on-one with clients can be lucrative, especially if you build a strong personal brand. Some style advisors even make six-figure annually by offering comprehensive style consultation. This job requires a good understanding of fashion and personal styling, making it a 7 out of 10 opportunity score. Podcast show notes writer. Podcast show notes writers summarize podcast episodes, including highlights and key topics. This role enhances the discoverability of podcasts by including relevant keywords and links. Companies like podcast production firms, marketing agencies, and individual podcasters often hire for these roles. AI tools like Descript can assist in this role, paying between $25 to $50 per hour on platforms like Upwork. This field is growing in demand, earning an 8 out of 10 score. Number 5, game coaching. You can coach others if you are exceptionally good at video games. Game coaching involves teaching strategies, techniques, and skills to improve gameplay. Successful game coaching can make substantial earnings, especially in the popular games like the Call of Duty or chess. Some coaches even create online courses or offer one-on-one coaching sessions. This job is ideal for passionate gamers and can turn a hobby into a profitable career. This job scores at 8.5 out of 10. Number 6, SEO Writing. SEO writers create content optimized for search engines, helping websites rank higher in the search results. Specializing in niche such as finance and health can significantly boost your earnings. Freelance SEO writers can earn between $52,000 and $81,000 per year. Platforms like Upwork and Freelancers offer many opportunities to get started. Mastering SEO techniques is a valuable skill that can open doors to various freelance and full-time positions. I give this job a 9 out of 10 opportunity score. Number 7, web researcher. Web researchers gather information online for various purposes, often in lead generation roles. This involves identifying potential clients or gathering data for businesses. Freelance researchers can earn about $113,000 annually. This job requires strong analytical skills and attention to details. There are many ways to get paid for freelance research. Make it a versatile and lucrative option. This job scores 8.5 out of 10 for high earning potential. Number 8, proofreading and editing. Proofreaders and editors review and correct written content for errors and clarity. This job is in demand across various industries, including publishing, marketing, and academia. Although it has a lower income ceiling, it's relatively easy to start. Proofreaders can earn between $51,000 and $80,000 per year. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and specialized sites like proofreadingservices.com offer many opportunities. This job is ideal for detail-oriented individual with a strong command of language. I rate this job 7.5 out of 10. Number 9, voiceover actor. Voiceover actors provide voices for various media, including commercials, audiobooks, and online content. While it can be challenging to break into, successful voice actors can earn between $57,000 and $115,000 annually. This job requires good vocal skills and professional recording equipment. Platforms like voices.com, Upwork, and FlexJobs offer many opportunities for beginners. Building a portfolio and gaining experience can lead to steady, high-paid work. This job scores 8.5 out of 10. Number 10, bookkeeper. Bookkeeper assists accountants, especially during tax season. They handle financial records, transactions, and report for businesses. Remote bookkeepers can earn between $48,000 and $71,000 annually. Many accounting firms hire bookkeepers on a contract basis during busy periods. This role offers flexibility and the potential for recurring seasonal work. Freelancers can find opportunities on platforms like Upwork, making it a reliable and profitable side hustle. This role earns a 9 out of 10 score. Number 11, social media manager. Managing social media for companies or brands is a growing field. Social media managers create content, engage followers, and analyze performance metrics. Specializing in platforms like Instagram or YouTube can increase your freelance earnings significantly. Social media managers can earn around $64,000 annually, but the potential is higher for freelancers. Opportunities are plentiful on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. This job requires creativity, strategic thinking, and staying updated on social media trends. I give this job a 9.5 out of 10 opportunity score. I hope you found this list helpful. If you try any of these jobs or have any other suggestions, then please let me know in the comment below. Good luck on your freelancing journey.